Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 23rd August, Nifty ends this week at 24,823 and Banknifty at 50,933. So in this weekend market update, we are going to see Nifty, Banknifty, broader markets and charts like SBI and commodities like silver and crude oil. So watch the video fully for more learnings. As we discussed in our previous video, we said that Nifty can pause this trend between 24,820 to 24,850 and you can see the pause. Actually expected a pause or a correction or a decline. Okay. The thing is the price will stop the uptrend. This is what we understood from our previous week video and as our expectation, the price exactly stopping at this zone. And Bank Nifty also we expected two levels like 51,000 to 51,300 and it got stopped at the 51,000. But I expected this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the price made a new high here. So this cannot be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So we need to alter this count and we can expect the next price action. So what we can expect for next week? Since it's a weekend video, I want to give more learnings. So the first chart we are going to see is SBI. See, this I shared on July 25th, 1 month before when SBI was trading around 848.50. If the price gets support around 840, this still can be only wave A. See, the corrections are 3 waves and we should count it as A, B, C. A pullback in wave B and a C may go lower. To confirm if pullback comes, need to check around 870. This is what I shared on July 25th and you can see the chart clearly. So you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 840 levels I marked here approximately and we expect a pullback in wave B and one more lower usually to this low. Okay, I not mentioned that but usually you can expect that low. So A, B, C. This is what we expected on July 25th. See what happened. See, this is what the level we discussed here, 840. I remove the lines, but this is the level. And a bigger pullback. And what happened? C wave down to 795. As expected, the SBI turned to be a ABC correction. Right? So this is what we analyzed a month before itself. Is a wave A. So wave A results in a B and C. Okay, the B and C. So the nature of Elliott wave is giving advanced clues. Here the price is giving advanced clue that this is the first leg of correction only by giving the subwaves as 5. Right? And we expect a B and a C. And now the exact low was 61.8%, I think. Obviously, this is a good support. That's why the price is taking a support at this level. Is the correction has been over here or not? It's a possibility. Yes, there's a good chance that correction has been over here. But still, the price action looks like a 3. We need to see how the price action develops here. Or it may go one more low also to complete the correction and start moving higher. So we are near the support zone. Either it has completed the correction at 795 or a one more low and may start moving higher. So this is the understanding in SBI chart now. So now coming back to the Nifty and Bank Nifty, what we can expect for next week. See again, the levels are not yet changed. The price as expected is holding the level of 24,850 and you can see the last 2 days price action was completely sideways and there are two chances now since it is sideways. Okay, it is not giving momentum either side. That's why I shared in the today's post that previous high and previous low act as a support and resistance. If the price moves above this previous high of around 24,866, okay, the next resistance can come at 24,895. So take it as 24,900. So we need to see how the price moves here, and the next important resistance comes to 24,950. So these are the possible resistance now if the price moves upside. Suppose if the price moves with the gaps or fast nature, we can expect next level of 25,030. But see, this trend loses its strength. Okay, you can clearly see this trend is losing its strength now. So if the same wave continues, please understand, if the same wave continues, these two levels will be the resistance now, like 24,900 to 24,950. For the next target or the new highs, we need new strength. That means new buys, right? So that is the only way now to make a resistance of 25,000 plus. So this is the understanding now. If the same wave continues, these two levels will be the important resistance. For that, for new highs and more upside, we need a good gap up and continuation. Then only we can expect the new highs and further movement in this particular wave. I'm saying in this wave. So simply, if the price moves above this level without a much gap up, then the important levels are 24,900 to 24,950, right? Fine. This is the update on Nifty and Banknifty. See, in last video we expected that here it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the price made a new high, so it cannot be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Okay, because this not yet completed. Maybe again, if Nifty also wants to move higher, Banknifty also make a slight higher, like 51,170 to 51,300. 51,300 we are already discussing from the previous weekend. Still that can also be an important resistance if the same wave continues. So if it moves higher, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can possible, and resistance may 51,170 to 51,300. See, in both Nifty and Banknifty, we need a new strength, a new buys. Okay, that may come only with the gap up and continuation in uptrend. So if the same trend continues, this two levels can be the important levels to watch for Banknifty and Nifty, these two levels. Okay, now the important question, whether it is an ABC or 1, 2, 3. Both are possible now because we have only three waves. We cannot confirm now it is 1, 2, 3 or ABC. For that, we need to see the corrective part. If the same wave continues and get resistance here or any of the two levels, we need to watch the decline. I clearly explained in my previous video. If the price comes to this level, this high, then only we need to little think about the corrective A, B, C or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If the price declines and without touching this level and moves higher, this cannot be the ABC. We need to think the other possibilities. This level I already informed in the previous video also. So nothing changed from the previous video and today's video. Fine, this is the update on Nifty and Banknifty. I hope are clear. And broader markets, yes, still this is the reason actually, as I said in previous video, only because of broader markets I am thinking about the ABC idea, or else I will go with the new impulse, and I want to decide only based on the broader markets, as I said in previous videos. So we need to see again, if the broader markets decline, this high should be watched, as like Nifty, this high should be protected. This is mid cap 150, and small cap also already reaches the previous high. So there is a possibility of some pause or some sort of holding that position, or a correction, a milder or deeper, whatever. So this will be important resistance now, and we need to see how the price corrects here. Okay, if the price corrects, this level should be protected, or there is a first signal that this can be a correction. Okay, so same method. So when combining all these things, Nifty, Banknifty, and broader markets, the new buy or new strength has to come for more upside, or else there will be some pause or correction or decline can be expected for the next week. If there is a gap up above our resistance level of 24,900 and 950 and the gap is not filling and the price is moving higher, then only we can expect more upside. So this is my understanding now. So my primary assumption is combining all the other indices, I mean Nifty, Bank Nifty and broader markets, there is a possibility of one mild higher and a pause or decline or some sort of correction is possible in this week. So now we move on to the analysis of silver, and this thing I want to explain, because if you understand from a previous analysis, it will be much better for us. That's why. This chart analyzed on 25th of July, 1 month before, when silver was trading around $27, 27.828, multiple supports between 26, 27. Possibly a pullback can be seen to 29, and based on how it reaches that level, we can expect one more low or not to 27.2. Same like SBI, some sort of pullback and one more low is possible, and in that I shared the levels also, like first turning of 26 to 27 and second turning of 29, and third can reach this level, right? This is a chart on 25th of July. Okay, see the price, I'm expecting this minor third to end and fourth and fifth to come lower, and the chart is, see, this is that level here. Okay, the low made was approximately 27.45 and we expected this range 27, and a pullback to, possibly a pullback can be seen to 29. So this price gone to, what is this high, 29.34 approximately. Okay, this is what expected. Possibly a pullback can be seen to 29 and we can expect one more low. See, all these levels has been analyzed on 25th of July itself. Practically, when the wave 4 completes, we can get the exact level for wave 5. Here I am expecting wave 3 to end. So the next wave is wave 4. So from that wave, I can get the turning point of wave 4. That's why I get the exact level of 29. See, I marked two lines here, 28.9 and 29.134. These are the two levels, and actually 29.34. Okay, so the price got exactly rejected at that zone, and once the wave 4 rejected, we can estimate the wave 5. Actually, I expected support to reach around 26.36 and the actual low was 26.52, very close to our support zone. I think even I shared this chart, and I explained in previous video that how we can get in low of even the silver base ETF, right? See, I get the low of 77.35 on 8th August, and 8th August the low was 77.25. So you can get the precise level of turning points in all the charts. That is what the potential of the Elliott waves. So this is how we identified the each and every turning points in the silver, here and here and even here, right? I get the low here also. Fine. So now what we can expect in the silver? See, in my opinion, the fifth wave still need to proceed higher. So in this time frame, this can be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 and wave 4, and wave 5 is possible, and the wave 5 can reach around $30.8 roughly. Okay, and I remove this line. I'm sorry. So this wave 4 reaches, so 38%. I believe the wave 4 has been completed here until it turns complex, but I guess the wave 4 has been completed here, and the price may reach the $30.8 in this particular wave 5. While the price reaches here, based on the wave personality, we can decide whether it can extend or can take some correction from here, right? This is the update on silver, and the next one is crude. I will show this level. See, this I shared to one of my friend on 11th December 2023. Crude oil at near important support levels, or one more dip to $68. Okay, see the level $68. I mentioned it on a day before 11th December, and this is the chart. See 11th December. Okay, here see the low 67.98, $68. See how precisely we identify the exact low. That is the level we can analyze from our course, right? See, I want to say a few things. If you want to learn the Elliott waves in practical way, see, there are 8 ways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and ABC. You can learn the turning points of all the 8 waves. Okay, and I have given 350 plus charts in the course part itself, and I'm adding 1 or 2 videos per month, more value added videos for your better experience. See, I want to share one thing. I clearly understood that many are interested in learning this Elliott Wave course, but few are thinking about the course fee. I want to say only one thing here. See, recently in previous week, one of our subscriber interested to register the course, and he inquired about the course details. He gave another global institution website and their fees and course structure. See, while seeing that each and every section, for example, channel, a flat correction, zigzag, okay, for each and every section, they are charging approximately 7,500 to 8,500 rupees. So for learning a complete Elliott Wave course, we need to pay more than almost 80,000 or 1 lakh. But when consider the value you are receiving from my course, see, 100% practical, there is no theory here. Lot of practical examples, like 350 plus charts. I guess no one gave this much charts as an examples in Elliott Wave course, and regular learnings, updates, and all your doubts will be cleared. Your doubts in the charts will be reviewed. So before registration, please consider all these things. And I bet for this price, the value you are receiving is much, much higher. I guarantee that this is the most practical Elliott Wave course. So if you wish to learn the Elliott waves in a proper way, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. Okay, so coming back to the crude oil analysis. So this is how we identified the exact low here, 67.98, and expected is 68. Fine. So now, what is happening now? See, in my opinion, the correction has been completed here. Okay, a WXYZ combination. See, there are other ways to count WX, Y, X, Z, and this is my assumption, and based on that only I calculated this low. So far this is working as per the Fibs. So my assumption is this pattern entirely is not taking impulse, at the same time not going for a bigger correction. After ABC, it needs to be impulsive, but this wave is not impulsive. So I mark it as corrective pattern now. So how to do that? So in my opinion, this can be the complex correction, and okay, the correction has been over here. This is the assumption now, and this is W, X, and Y, A, B, C, D, E. So this is the primary assumption, but still there are other ways to count. It can be marked as all the price action as triangle. Okay, this one like this. but I'm not fully convinced in that. I'm just giving the option. So the price is now in support and moving higher. If the price moves above this level, we can go with the confirmation of correction has been over. For example, this level, okay, crossing above this high. And if the price breaks low below this point, we can go for corrective structure. So the primary view is correction has been completed here, and I can see a 5 subways here, A, B, C, D, E. See, triangles are always complicated. It may still develop a D and E. Okay, we don't know D and E entirely. It may go sometime for sideways and may go higher. Okay, so triangles may take some complicated structure, but for trading purpose, I mark it as completing the correction here. Okay, and we are seeing a good bounce, but at the same time, for confirmation, the price needs to move above this D point. Okay, then you can draw the bigger line also, trend line. After crossing all these lines, we can assume a bigger uptrend has been started in the crude oil. At the same time, if the price breaks below this point, then we should reconsider this option and we look for some corrective pattern may continue. Okay, this is the view on crude oil now. So next week, probably if the same strength continues, we may expect some mild higher or reject from here itself. We need to see. That's why I said the resistance and support. So either of the side should give up. So if goes higher, we have seen some resistance. If comes lower based on the rejection level, we can calculate the support level. So probably some sort of correction or pullback may be seen next week unless there is a new strength. So this is the update on markets. I hope you enjoy this weekend market update. As you said, I have included the commodities, and we'll try to include other indices as well. So we'll include silver, gold, and crude oil, and even natural gas in every weekend video. So one by one, I will bring the commodities and other indices also. So if you like my work and if you want to learn the Elliott waves, you can subscribe the channel and share it with your fellow traders and friends whoever interested in the waves. And if you wish to learn the Elliott waves in most practical way, I have a course. I give those details in the description. Thank you so much. Trade safe. Happy weekend. Take care.